Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Salesforce subscription refunds, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Salesforce subscription refunds, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Billing and Subscriptions section from the main dashboard. Locate the Manage Subscriptions tab. Click on your current subscription to view the details. Check if your subscription is currently eligible for a refund. If eligible, look for the option that says Request Refund or similar. Follow the prompts to initiate the refund process. Carefully fill out any required forms regarding your refund request. Double-check the information you have entered for accuracy. Submit your refund request. After submission, you should receive a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your refund status. If you do not receive any communication within a few days, contact Salesforce support. Provide them with your account details and the refund request date. Be prepared to clarify any information about your subscription. Once everything is verified, await the refund to be processed. You will receive a notification once the refund has been initiated. Finally, monitor your payment method for the arrival of your refunded amount. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.